how to add or change favicon in React.js. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add or change favicon in React.js. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up any favicon generator website on your laptop or PC. After that, you have to upload your favicon here. Then click on create favicon. After that, I will generate your favicon and you have to just download it by clicking on it. Then it will give you a zip file. So what you have to do is just extract that zip file and you will be able to see all favicons that your website has created for you. Then you have to just copy any of the favicons and its ICO file as well and paste it into your React folder. After that, open your HTML file in Visual Studio Code and change or paste the name of your new favicon here. Then just open and refresh your website and you will see that your favicon has been changed. So that's how you can add or change favicon in React.js. That's all for this video.